At present, the routine maintenance of railway vehicles is completed by manpower, lacking the support of intelligent maintenance means and the space for improving the efficiency and quality of vehicle maintenance is limited. For this reason, CRRC SRI has developed an intelligent maintenance and inspection robot for rail vehicles, which is used to change the operation mode relying on manual routine maintenance. The robot can be started remotely once the train is entering into the depot. First, the robot uses its high-speed camera to quickly collect the image of most components of the vehicle bottom. Multiple high-flexibility mechanical arms equipping with image acquisition devices to act simultaneously. The mechanical arm has the ability to operate in complex spaces and can be used to detect the bogie in all directions. After collecting high-definition images of vehicle components, the robot can automatically identify vehicle faults by using the image algorithm of deep learning and feature recognition. The robot can achieve wireless network connections and thus send its own status and identified vehicle fault information to the control center in real time to provide service support for the staff.